The more knowledge that you have to put together a bid, to price yourself competitively, is going to launch your career forward, and that's why we're here today. I want to show you all the inside information that I can, that I've gleaned over 28 years of my career. I couldn't put this bid together by myself, so I called in a producer who's really skilled with this type of stuff, and we collaborated. I talked about what I wanted to see on the set, and he talked about what he thought we could put into the bid in terms of making the numbers work. So in my mind, there's a lot of photographers that are out there in the world. There's people who are just starting out, who have no idea what usage licenses are, how to price themselves. There's a lot of fear and misinformation out there, and we're going to tackle all of that stuff.
The one thing I always tell them, never cut into your rate.
Never cut into your rate.
Oh, well, the client says we need to bring this down a little bit. I'll bring my rate down a little bit. No, you're setting an awful precedent there, and you're undervaluing yourself.
There's also some photographers out there that are a little bit more veteran, that are expanding their careers and getting deeper into the world of commercial photography. So you shot this stuff for Nikon.
Right.
How long do they have the rights to use those images for?
I have absolutely no idea.
So the fees that you should be getting for this is about $15,000. We're going to attack all of that stuff, and we're going to give you some serious inside information about how to manage yourself, make yourself a more marketable artist, and to get paid.
You have to do a number of bids to know how to price yourself.
And I think that's probably the most important thing, is to do as many bids as humanly possible.
Yeah.
Just put your stuff out there.
Yeah.
And the more experience you get bidding, the better that you'll get at this. And you'll start seeing different ways to make more money, not only just in your fees, but in running a production really well. These are all elements that go into having a really successful photography career.